I would choose rewarding.
Motivated, efficient, and adaptive.
Fun, daring, and supportive.
Passion.
People just have this internal burning and desire to just get stuff done.
You can feel when talking to a lot of people how passionate they are about the work that they do and about Sabra as a brand and as a company.
Team members and management are incredibly supportive to make sure that the project team and the project managers have everything they absolutely need to be successful.
When there is a new challenge that we're all asked to solve, we can usually make it fun. We know a lot about each other's strengths, which makes it really easy to divide and conquer, and then we just move on to the next initiative.
We truly rally together, and it's always a very diverse team, not just because of the day-to-day roles, but their background, their experiences, and all the different things that they bring to the table.
And you rarely leave an interaction with anyone without feeling like you have gained something from it. And that can be very rewarding. It makes it easy to go to work, and it makes it easy to come home feeling like you've accomplished something throughout the day.
There's a pretty wide range of experience. This really drives us to be willing to work together quickly and try new things to solve a problem in the plant.
Adaptability is really important because Sabra changes on the dime, drop of the hat. It is a very fluid company.
There's a lot of people who have progressed in the company and taken on multiple different roles in different departments, learned a lot.
When you start to live in that realm, you're starting to talk about things that are missions and not jobs. And it makes it easy to see how some people have been here for 10, 15, 20 plus years. I hope to be one of those people one day too.